came to Underwood Family Farms. Here's some reindeer if you've never seen one. Bradley made pot roast that looks delish. Winter in a bowl. Time to come to Candy Cane Lane. The Santa Claus is the Christmas version of Mrs. Doubtfire to me. Milo and I are about to bake some cookies. Good job. Oh my goodness, losing my marbles. I can't stop eating the dough. They look so good. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas week 2. We're starting a new vlog today. It's a Tuesday, even though it kind of feels like Monday and I'm a little confused, but
my days are off too, why is that?
I don't know. But Bradley made pot roast. I, for some reason, have had a pot roast craving.
I don't think I've ever even had pot roast in my life.
I think I saw it on TikTok or something, I don't know. But I told Bradley and he made it happen because he is the husband of dreams. So there's that. That looks delish. We got some mashed potatoes and then he's making a gravy with some mushrooms right now. Then he made himself some broccoli. Ooh. Right, just plated it up. It looks incredible. A little for Milo, we gotta get him something for in there, but yum.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Winter in a bowl. Hey guys, we are in the car.
Jack.
We ate dinner a little bit. He thinks we're going to see Jack.
We are close.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, honey.
Not close, but you have a close idea of.
You guys saw in the Vlogtober vlogs that we took Milo a few times to this house that had the awesome Nightmare Before Christmas animatronics, and he thinks that's what we're doing. Similar, we ate dinner super early so we would have time to come to Candy Cane Lane, which I don't think that's actually what it's called, but it's a street that like goes all out that we've come to for years. It's been our little tradition. Somebody took it.
I blew it.
You blew it. I think we've gone every year since like 2017, except for 2020.
That.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Well,
I feel like we've been doing this for 8 years.
We're so old. But yeah, that's what we're here to do. I brought the vlog camera to bring you with. I'm excited. Milo should. I think he'll enjoy it a lot more this year than the previous years, I think. This is Bradley's favorite house because
obviously
they're playing hockey and they're a fan of the Ducks. So you got the Grinch, he's on the Kings. You got Jack back there, let me zoom. We got Santa as an onlooker, got some elves. Who's that? Who is that? Frosty the Snowman back there?
Oh yeah.
And then the Abominable Snowman. But Bradley loves this house up. Look at their hockey wreath up there. What do you see? The Grinch? This is my favorite. It's an ocean theme. I like it because of the mermaid. Rainbow Road. You see Jack? Hi, Jack! Hi, guys. Oh, just use my hand. We turned Milo around, so now I gotta block his face. But we are out of the house bright and early. We came to Underwood Family Farms, which we've come to a few times now. We came for Halloween, and they have a Christmas thing on the weekends where they have Santa and reindeer. So yeah, we're here. My whole family is here, and we're excited. We chose the windiest day in the whole world. I should have worn lipstick. There's like sand in it. But my license for everybody. Hey guys. Oh, the eyeballs. It's a little. It's like it's wild out here. There's some reindeer. You've never seen that.
So one of them is Electra, and the other one is.
You're hungry? We can get you a snack.
boy.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. Blurry Sunday. You'll have to excuse my appearance. We went to the zoo this morning and then I came home and I took a fat couch nap and it was incredible, but you know, that's why I look this way. But Milo and I are about to bake some cookies. It's this recipe that I found on Instagram that usually uses Cadbury eggs, but now you can make them with Cadbury snowballs. And they were so good. They're like chocolate cookies, which I don't think I've certainly never made chocolate cookies before this Easter, but I've never had chocolate cookies. I can link the Easter vlog. Up in the corner if you want to see us make them for the first time, but they're delicious and I'm so excited to eat them again. So I'm gonna have Milo help me. I also want to bring like a cookie tray of different cookies to Christmas festivities. So I'm making big batches of all the cookies that I'm making and freezing some so that we can bake them off later. So yeah, let's bake some cookies. We also have the Santa Claus on. 90s perfection. The Santa Claus is the Christmas version of Mrs. Doubtfire to me. It's just a perfect film. So let's bake cookies. All right, so you need 1 cup of butter.
Walk away.
Yeah, very good. Softened a little bit. 1 cup of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 cup of brown sugar. 1, ready? 2, 3, 4. You're gonna cream that together. 2 eggs. Sorry, my camera died there for a second. We've switched to the big one, but you need 2 eggs after you cream together butter and sugar. Good job. 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Good.
1, 2.
It says 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That's a lot. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Ooh, okay. All right, I lost my assistant because he wanted a snack, but I'm gonna add in the flour. You okay? 2 1/4 cups of flour. Taste test. So good. And the star of the show are these Cadbury mini snowballs. They're basically the same thing as the Cadbury mini eggs in snowball form. So you can enjoy them at Christmas time as well. And the recipe says you can crush them before. Oh my goodness, losing my marbles. It says you can crush them before, but they like to just crush them with the mixer. Great, there's barely any red because there's red 40 in there. I can't stop eating the dough. Remind me when I have a stomach ache in an hour, that's why. All right, so here are the ones I'm gonna bake. I love that you can like see the colors in them. So I'm gonna throw those in the oven at 375. I'll let you know how long it takes. But here are the ones I'm gonna pop in the freezer for another time. Works out perfectly. I think I'll start with 8 minutes. See how that does. All right, so I left mine in for 10 minutes. The recipe says you want them to still be soft. They look so good. I made a big batch of pasta. This is Milo's favorite pasta and it's my sister's favorite pasta and she's babysitting in a couple of days. So she'll just reheat this up for the both of them, but that's just for dinner tonight.